Hi guys, today we are going to look at lupus and SLE problems in health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows: list of cold pressed oils or wood pressed oils. Okay, list of concoctions, diet plan with millets, and what to avoid means what foods to avoid. So wood pressed oils on empty stomach. Okay, on empty stomach you can drink 2 to 3 spoons full of coconut. Okay, or coconut oil. Second week, 2 to 3 spoons of safflower oil. Third week, 2 to 3 spoons of Niger seed oils. Okay, and repeat this cycle after every 3 weeks. Maintain 30 minutes gap between bulletin oils or wood pressed oils and the concoction. Okay, on empty stomach means you can drink water if you are habituated to drink water, no problem. Drink water early in the morning. If you wake up at 6 a.m., if you drink 1 liter of water, wait for 1 hour. That is at 7 a.m. you can drink this concoction. If you are taking 1.5 liter of water early in the morning at 6 a.m., then wait for 1.5 hour. That is at 7:30 a.m. you can drink this oil. Okay. Coming to the concoctions, first one is Indian date palm leaf. Okay. Take 3 to 4 leaves to make concoction. Next, golden apple leaves. Take 4 to 5 leaves to make concoction. Next is Indian beech. 4 leaves to make concoction. Indian mallow leaves. Take 4 to 5 leaves to make concoction. Okay. First week is Indian date palm. Okay. Leaves. Second week golden apple leaves. Third week Indian beech leaves. Fourth week Indian mallow leaves. Okay. If you do not find any one of the above, replace it with Bermuda grass. Okay. Note 2, important note, maintain 45 minutes to 1 hour gap between the concoction and the next meal. Okay. Next, diet plan with millets. Foxtail millet for 3 days. Okay. If you are having 3 meals per day, eat all the 3 meals with foxtail millets only. Okay. You can have any curd if you want, but but you shouldn't eat with rice or any wheat product. Okay. You should be consuming only millets, that too foxtail millets for 3 days. If you are having only 2 meals per day, those 2 meals should be with foxtail millets only. Next, brown top millet for 3 days, little millet for 1 day, kodo millet for 1 day, barnyard millet for 1 day. Okay, so this is the diet plan. Eat these millets alternately for this 9-day schedule. Repeat this sequence till you get recovered from the disease. No rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only bull driven oils. How to cook millets? Cook it either like rice or make millet porridge. Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it either on a open top or in a pressure cooker, but avoid pressure cooking if you have enough time to cook. Okay, this is cooking it like rice. Making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. If you want to make it more watery, add 10 glass of water also, no problem. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay, tie the top using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours, and then you can have it. Okay, if it is summer, you can keep it for only 6 to 7 hours. That much time is sufficient for it to get fermented. What foods to avoid? All milk and dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oils, sugar and jaggery also you have to avoid. In place of sugar and jaggery, you can use palm jaggery, dates, and 100% pure honey. Okay. Even in the concoctions, if you cannot take it as it is, you can add palm jaggery in it. Okay. Wheat powder and refined wheat powder you have to avoid. Tea, coffee, all bakery products. Polished millets also you shouldn't consume. Polished millets are refined millets. You have to take whole millets. Okay. Next, non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods and all ready-made foods and all ready-to-eat foods. Okay. Now you will be looking at how to make concoction. The procedure for making concoction is one and the same. Okay, let's look at how to make a concoction. Take 200 to 300 ml of water. Okay, let it get boiled up first. Okay, once it get boiled up, then you have to add leaves. Okay, Indian beech leaves. Yeah, it got boiled up, right? 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 depending upon the size of the leaf. Okay, take that color leaf, yellow color leaves, then it will be tasty. You need not require any uh, palm jaggery to consume. Okay, let it get boiled up for again 3 minutes. Okay, so it got boiled up. You have to keep it for again 3 to 4 minutes aside. Okay, then you have to filter it to have concoction. Okay, better to take tender leaves. Okay, yellow color. And also one more important thing is you have to boil the water in a very low flame. Okay, everything has to be done in low flame. Okay, just now it got boiled up. I am keeping it aside for 4 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes is over. Okay, we are now going to filter it out. Okay, oh, it's little bit hard. Okay, like this, using a filter. Okay, I suggest you to use a separate filter for this. Okay, not tea filter. Okay, yeah, that's it. You're almost done. Fine. Okay, now you can drink it. You can have it uh, using a spoon. Okay, preferably using a spoon. Okay.